What's up, cousins? Welcome back. We're gonna jump right into this video. Never mind the holes in my wig. That sometimes happens when you cut your wig caps open to make them flat. If you are interested in all the specs to get the exact same wig that I am showing in the video, just check the screen or check the description box. So here I'm just fitting the wig to my head before I go ahead and cut the lace. And I just wanted to show you guys how natural the hairline looks on its own. You guys know I don't like to bleach my knots, so I haven't bleached the knots or anything like that, but just on its own, it is a very well made unit, and it's definitely the best fitting unit that I've ever had. I know I just said that, but it really fit my head like a glove. So here I'm just going to show you guys how I cut my lace, because I get asked this often, and this is why you really want to make sure that you utilize like the adjustable straps in your units, and make sure that your hair is, you know, laid however you like to lay your hair under your units, because this is going to all play a role in how flat the wig lays and how easy it's gonna make this process right here, which is just cutting the lace. And then all you're going to do is literally just trace the line of the hairline of the wig with your scissors, and just continue to cut along the hairline until you have cut off all the lace. You want to be careful, of course, that you don't, first of all, that you don't stab yourself with scissors. That's why I like to use like childish scissors for this reason. And then also you want to make sure that you, of course, aren't cutting the wig, like you're not cutting off any of the hair. Make sure you're keeping the integrity of their hairline, because that is what makes it really natural. You don't want to just cut like straight across like a box barbershop hairline, because that is not how most people's hairline grows. Once I've made the initial cut, then I'll just go ahead and check out the hairline, and then take the wig actually off my head and make any adjustments as needed. And here I'm just showing you guys I do utilize the adjustable straps. I wear them literally on the last strap for my little pea head. And then I have tons of videos showing you guys how I lay my unit. That actually wasn't what this video was about, but I just used a little bit of the Got To Be Free spray, and I'm literally just laying the unit down on my scalp. And I just decided to pull a little bit of the hair up. I just wanted the hair up and out of my face on this day. I do need to go in with a little bit of pressed powder along the hairline, because again, I didn't bleach the knots or like blend the lace or anything. So just to make it a little bit more believable as far as, you know, like leaving the house with it. But I just wanted to show you guys, the actual unit, what the curls look like once they dry after you co-wash them. I did use a little bit of the Miss Jessie's in this unit, and it worked beautifully. As you guys can see, the curls are very bouncy, very cute. And this haircut, like this bob, like whoever cut these bobs, baby, they did the dang thing, okay? So here's an up close look at the hairline. Of course, again, since I didn't bleach the knots, you can actually see the lace. But this was just about cutting the lace, and I just wanted to show you guys like up close what that looks like. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.